Accelerate your product development. Prototype in minutes. Meet RidgeRun Development Suite. Frustrated by scattered documents, complex builds, and no safe way to trial new ideas before you commit? RidgeRun Development Suite ends the struggle. Spin up, evaluate, and benchmark RidgeRun components in minutes risk-free before choosing the products that fit your vision. Our development suite packs our most popular products: CUDA Stitcher, Bird's Eye View, Panorama PTZ, SAY, OBU, and MISV metadata, RTSP sync, and much more, pre-built and Jetson ready. Need deeper tests? Launch GStreamer Daemon, Interpipes, or Profile with GST Shark and GST Perf. Mix and match every product in one sandbox. Watch RidgeRun's products in action with our sample applications: video stitching, PTZ navigation, RTSP streaming with live metadata, and instant stream switching. Benchmark results, swap products, and prove feasibility before you invest. Join developers around the world, accelerating innovation with RidgeRun. Start your RidgeRun Development Suite subscription now and bring your vision to life faster than ever.